If you've done advertising with Facebook and Instagram, you'll know what the Facebook pixel is. A tracking pixel you put on your website, and it basically helps you track your audience. What you may not know is that LinkedIn has a similar type of pixel. It's called the LinkedIn Insight pixel. And you can put this on your website similar to how you would do it with Facebook and Instagram. Now, what exactly is this pixel and why is it important? Why am I recommending you install it on your website? Well, as people visit your website, the pixel collects and tracks data about visitors that go to your website. This includes information about their professional background, job titles, industries they work in, and more. Now, why is this important? Whether you're doing any marketing efforts or not, this can be valuable information because it tells you a little bit about the people that are actively going to your website on a day-to-day basis. And understanding that audience can help you in a number of ways. Not only can it help you to ensure that the information on your website is appealing to that audience, well, this will also help you craft content for LinkedIn. You can make sure that your content is addressing any pain points this audience may have. It will be relatable to that audience, and therefore, if they're interested in your content, they're more likely to engage with you, they're more likely to connect with you on the platform, and that can lead to sales and other opportunities for you. So consider installing the LinkedIn Pixel on your website. And if you're not sure how to do that, reach out to me. I'd be happy to help you.